Greetings from Taiwan. I'm thrilled to be here on this beautiful island. The itinerary is packed with incredible experiences, and I can't wait to embark on this road trip. Currently, I'm in Taipei, the captivating capital city. The surroundings are picturesque, with rolling green hills. On my first day, I took a walk and hiked up Elephant Mountain, which offered stunning views of the city skyline. Taipei has a diverse character, featuring both modern areas with luxury shopping and skyscrapers, as well as historic neighborhoods like Longshin Temple, adorned with beautiful dragons. Taipei 101, the iconic skyscraper with a unique design, is another highlight with its observatory offering sleek aesthetics and dreamy photo spots. One of my favorite spots in Taipei was Dao Chang, a vibrant and historic neighborhood filled with shops and bustling streets. The Lantern Festival added to the charm, making it a memorable experience. The Pier 5 Riverside Wharf was a perfect place to enjoy food and watch the sunset. Next, I explored the breathtaking Bitujiao Trail, a stunning hiking area along the coast, where nature's beauty unfolded before my eyes. Taiwan's nature, especially on the east coast, exceeded my expectations with its lush forests, hiking trails, waterfalls, and scenic coastlines. Watching the waves crash and a lone fisherman braving the elements was an incredible sight. Taroko National Park left me in awe with its beauty, particularly at King Shi Cliff, where the ocean's bright blue dramatically transformed into deep navy. At Chu Resort and Flow Retreat, I found solace in their zen and minimalist ambiance, enjoying hot springs and engaging in art therapy. It was a reminder to create without pressure, embracing the joy of creativity. Cycling along Mr. Brown Avenue in Taidong offered a serene experience through rice fields, and I savored a delightful vegetarian lunch in town. In Kaohsiung, the sunny city, I discovered a thriving art center and converted shipping warehouses, along with beautiful beaches and cool hotels. The Kaohsiung Lighthouse provided stunning views, making it a perfect spot for sunset and a wonderful end to my Taiwan adventure. Taiwan has a vibrant nightlife scene, and its major cities, particularly Taipei, offer a wide range of nightclubs and entertainment options. The top popular nightclubs you might want to check are Omni Nightclub Taipei and Mist Taipei. One thing that pleasantly surprised me about Taiwan was the sense of security. People here don't worry about bike theft, leaving their bikes unattended without locks, which reflects the trusting and close-knit community. I hope you enjoyed sharing in my Taiwan journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Farewell and take care. Taipei and Mist Taipei.